Hey guys, come on, we choose animal, a bird or cow or a rabbit. Oh, bird, yeah. Okay, bird, yeah. We need bird. Click one berry. There is a berry. Click a berry, 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 and berry, and berry. Berry more. Wow! Wow! Bird. We need to coloring this bird. Okay. First the eye. Eye. The yellow eye. Wow! Come on. The orange. And then the black one. Wow. Come on. Bird. Wow. The puzzle bird. How about this one? Eyes. Where's here? No. Here? No. Here. Yeah. Next, we move this. Here. No. Here. No. Here. Yeah. And then here. Yeah. That's right. Here. Yeah. More. Next one. Here. No. Here. No. Yeah. That's right. Okay. In here. Yeah. Yeah. Next the animal. What animal? Click berry. The one berry. Click one berry. And berry. More berry. 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 And berry. And berry. Raspberry. Yeah. Wow. Like a go. Wow. Go have a meal. We need to coloring this cow. Yeah. Come on. The eyes. And tongue. Nose. Legs. Black and white. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Cool. The puzzle. We can move this puzzle. Here? No. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Yeah, true. Next, this one. Here. Up again. Yeah, that's right. Come on, next more. Here, no. Yeah, that's right. Again. Back. Yep, that's right. Ooh. Come on, the last one. Yeah. Ooh. Cool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.